Hi, so yeah, I just got those today, and it does take a while, to get the right fit and everything, but once you do, it works out really well. And here's my teeth. It's really bad. Here's my teeth before. I had some chemo, and it's really made a lot of difference, and it's made me not be able to smile and feel confident or anything like that. So I haven't been on a date in years. My husband passed away, so it's been really, really hard for me, and it makes me feel really sad and depressed. So, it's like I can't go in and, hey, how you doing? I can't do that. So here's without, and it's pretty bad. And here's with, hold on one second. And there I am. So yeah, it takes a while because I don't have a file, but as far as being able to see, so don't go by what I did because, like I said, I gotta get the file, so it's a little bit, heavy up here. But once that's all filed down, it's gonna lay flat on my face, and then I'll be able to smile. But it is pretty good now anyway. So I do think you should get them. I recommend them. And hope you have a great day. Sorry I look really bad. I've been working on my teeth. But anyway, so they're beautiful. Once I get them filed, I really, really like them. Thank you.